This is Dr. Malka, and today we're going to be talking about the lesson of work. In this lesson, we're going to understand what work is and its equation. When mechanical work or electrical work is done, this results in a transfer of energy. Work done is equal to energy transferred. Both of them are measured in joules. You're going to see this symbol, which is called delta. And this symbol means transfer or change. So when I see delta E, it means energy transferred or change in energy. This applies to mechanical work, so objects moved by force, or electrical work where components are powered by an electric current. Mechanical work. In mechanical work, when a force causes an object to move, mechanical work is done. The energy transferred is equal to the work done, where both of them are equal to force times distance. Bear in mind that in this case, force must be in newtons, distance must be in meters. So if my distance is in centimeters or kilometers, please transfer it or convert it to meters first before you use this equation in order to get your work or energy transferred in joules. Bear in mind that we've agreed that the equation is valid only when the force is applied in the direction of the movement. Here's an example. Try it on your own. Pause the video and unpause when you're done. A person lifts a 10-kilogram box vertically to a height of 2 meters. How much work is done? Most of the common mistakes that I get when I have this example is they immediately say, okay, work is equal to force times distance, which is equal to 10 times 2. This is not force, this is mass. So we need to go back to what we learned about force. Weight is a force. So in this case, force here will be equal to mass times gravity. So in my equation, work will be equal to force times distance, which is equal to mass times gravity times distance. So that's 10 times 9.8 times 2, giving me 196 joules. Another example, pause the video, try it on your own and unpause when you're done. A child pulls a sledge with a horizontal force of 18 newtons for a distance of 15 meters. Calculate the work done by the child. Assume the force is applied completely in the direction of motion. So again, work is equal to force times distance. Force is 18 newtons, distance is 15. So simply, work will be 1,200 joules. That's all for today. See you in the next lesson. Have a good day.